Hi, in this video, you will learn how to run the same test case on both Salesforce Classic and Lightning applications using Tosca. One of the key benefits of using Tosca for Salesforce Automation is that modules and test cases can be reused for both Salesforce Classic and Lightning experience. If your company is transitioning from Salesforce Classic to Lightning, Tosca makes sure that your Salesforce tests run on both versions with little to no changes required, saving you significant time in your test automation projects. Let's begin with our use case. As we recall from our previous video, we've created a new opportunity in Salesforce Lightning. We used Salesforce Scanner to instantly generate the modules and built the test steps, which involved opening and logging into Salesforce, navigating to Opportunities, clicking on Create New, entering the close date, opportunity name, stage, and type, adding a description, and clicking Save. What if we want to automate the same process in Salesforce Classic? Would we have to create the modules from scratch and adapt our test case? Let's run the same test case in Salesforce Classic to find out. In this example, we will run the test case on Internet Explorer as Salesforce Classic is the default application in our settings. However, it is also possible to run the test case on Salesforce Classic in Google Chrome by navigating to your profile picture and clicking on Switch to Salesforce Classic. Now let's run the test case. As you can see, we were able to run the same test case on Salesforce Classic without an issue. The modules created by Salesforce Scan work seamlessly on both Classic and Lightning. This is possible with Tosca's AI-powered Salesforce engine. We can execute the same tests on both Classic and Lightning on any browser. This is because the Salesforce engine relies on reading metadata, making Salesforce UX agnostic. Let's now build another test case for creating an account, running it on Classic, and executing the same in Lightning. In our previous video, we showed how to instantly and automatically generate modules using Tosca's Salesforce Scanner. As we previously scanned all the sections in Salesforce that we require for our test case, we do not need to regenerate the modules each time. In this example, we want to create a new account in the Salesforce App Service. Add the rating, account name, type, and industry. Then we want to add address information and additional information such as the customer priority and active status. We will then add a description and save the new account. Let's run the test case in Classic. Works as expected. A new account called Corporation Tosca Unlimited has been created. We'll now run the same test case in Salesforce Lightning on Google Chrome. As you can see, the test case ran without an issue. As we ran the test case twice, once on Classic and once on Lightning, the account was created twice. With Tosca, you can ensure that your Classic test cases require little modification when switching over to Lightning. This is useful for companies who are planning to upgrade to Lightning. Thanks for watching.